Often when people are diagnosed with diabetes, they get sad because they think, oh, now I can never eat chocolate cake again. But that's not what we're recommending these days for people with diabetes. A healthy diet for someone with diabetes is the same as a healthy diet for any of us. All of us should make healthy food choices as much as possible and try to avoid the less healthy food choices. We should eat apples instead of apple pie. But that doesn't mean that when you visit your grandmother and she made her famous apple pie, you can't have it once. You just try to choose the healthy more often and the unhealthy less often. We don't focus on particular foods. There's no foods you can't eat. There are no foods that you should be eating. We want people to overall have a healthy pattern of eating, just a healthy habits in general. But specific food changes probably are not as important.